Hi, I'm Joy Daniels, and I'm here today with Dan and Sean Gross with Gross Gutter Cleaning, and we're going to talk about the importance of safeguarding your home from unwanted pests, leaks, and damage from debris buildup in your gutters. Gross Gutter is always climbing high. I mean, literally, they want to make their customers really happy. Do not risk your own safety by trying to climb on your roof. Let Gross Gutters do it. Along with not being afraid of heights, they're also fully insured. So, what is the gutter cleaning process? And?
So the gutter cleaning process, we come out to your house, we clean all the debris out of your gutters. We use a hose to flush all the gutters and make sure all your downspouts are flowing. And after that, we go around, we clean everything up. We blow off all your decks, patios, and walkways, and we leave you in good shape.
That was going to be my question.
Yes.
Do you clean up afterwards?
We absolutely clean up afterwards, yes.
Good.
We hope to make it look better than before we got there.
Okay,
Yes.
That's the way it should be. All right, and like most home maintenance, the seasonal gutter routine is so important. Once you schedule a cleaning with them, you can be placed automatically on their peace of mind service list so that you never have to worry about scheduling your next gutter cleaning. Preventative maintenance is important in preventing pricey future damages. So, tell us again, why is it so important to keep your gutters clean?
Just to prevent water damage, first of all, is probably the most important thing. Clogged gutters, when they can't drain, the water spills over, messes up your foundation. Bugs can live in there. So it's just important to keep them clean and flowing and, free of all debris.
Okay, is it expensive? Tell me if it's expensive.
No, it's between $100 and $200 a house, depending on the size of the house.
Okay. And what other services do you offer?
We offer skylight cleaning, light bulb changing, tree trimming, things that we can reach from the roof. That's pretty much it, I think.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you so much for joining me today. And when you call Gross Gutter Cleaning and you mention Joy Daniels Real Estate Group, they will give new customers a $25 discount off their first initial cleaning. So call today and let Gross Gutter Cleaning get the gross out. They love helping their clients. We love helping our clients. So give us a call at 717-695-3177 or email info@joydaniels.com. We have buyer and seller specialists ready to assist you.